Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Maths Secrets Review. In today's episode, we are going to explore this rather tricky situation which involves, as you know, square, rectangle, triangle. So if you would like to find out how exactly you can solve this question, how exactly you can unravel the tricky situation to get around this optical illusion, stay with me all the way till the end. And you will discover how this question can be solved in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's take a look together. ABCD is a square. Okay, it's given to us. ABCD is a square. And AEFG is a rectangle. And the dimensions are all given to us. AB equals 24 centimeters. GF equals 30 centimeters. Point E lies on BC, while point D lies on FG, and the question is asking us to find the length of AG. So with all of these criteria given to us, how exactly can we solve this question very quickly? Actually, it's very simple. So we have to put our focus on the triangle AED that we are looking at right now. Okay, that is within the square itself. So you look carefully at this triangle AED, you will kind of realize that the base of triangle AED happens to be AD. Okay, so let me just trace it out for everyone. So AD is the base of triangle AED. Alright, so I'm tracing it in blue. And you will definitely need to find the height of triangle AED. So how would the height look like? So I'll actually use the ruler function in this software to basically show everyone how the height looks like. Okay. So this is something that I advise my students to do when they are in the exam. So do not just stare at the question. We should actively try to try to label the base and the height. And this will indeed help us immensely as we are trying to find the answer. Okay, so let me just draw in this blue dotted line for everyone. So this blue dotted line actually represents the height of triangle AED. Okay, I will also indicate the right angle to show that the height is actually perpendicular to the base. So perpendicular means the height and the base, they meet each other at right angles. Okay, so we also say that this triangle AED is half of this related square. Okay, let me just write it down for everyone. Triangle AED is half the area of square ABCD, because you realize that the length of ABCD happens to be the base of triangle AED, and at the same time the height of triangle AED also matches the length once again. So in doing so, I know that this square ABCD is 24 by 24. So I'll just work it out. Half times 24 multiplied by 24. And in doing so, let me just key the numbers into my calculator. And the answer is 288. So 288 happens to be the area of triangle AED. And at the same time, we also can state that this triangle AED is also related, okay, or rather is also half of rectangle AEFG. So triangle AED is not just found inside the square, it's also found in it's also found in rectangle AEFG. So triangle AED is half rectangle AEFG. And if the question is asking us for AG, okay, which I'm labeling right now using red color. So the AG that they are looking out for has got to be the breadth of the rectangle. And if I found that triangle AED is 288 and it's half of rectangle AEFG, this means that AEFG, the rectangle, has got to be double of 288. So in doing so, 288 times 2, my answer is actually 576. And if 576 is the area of rectangle AEFG, and I wish to find the breadth AG, I'm just one step away, because GF, which is given to us 30 cm, happens to be the length of AEFG. So AG, the breadth, has got to be 576 divided by 30. So I'll just key this into the calculator, and finally the answer is 19.2. Alright, 19.2 centimeters is the answer for AG. I hope that everyone managed to find out the answer. You managed to be able to differentiate between the triangle, see the relationship between the triangle, the square, and how it's all related and how it's all linked together. So if you recall, from the square ABCD, I'm able to find the area of triangle AED, which happens to be half the area of the square. And this triangle AED is not just sitting inside the square, it's also sitting inside the rectangle AEFG. And the area of the triangle is also half the area of the rectangle, which allows us to find the area of the rectangle. And this finally led us to the answer, led us to the breadth of the rectangle AEFG, because we are already given the length of 30 cm, and we will need to take this area 576 of AEFG. I just need to divide it by 30 to get the answer. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video or you got anything out of it whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below, let us know where you guys are tuning from. That's always good to know. And finally, if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button. There's a little bell sign, by the way, because this year we are committed to making weekly videos to hold you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye.